Hi students, problem number 3. Light of wavelength 600 nanometer that falls on a pair of slits producing interference pattern on a screen in which the bright fringes are separated by 7.2 millimeter. What must be the wavelength of another light which produces bright fringes separated by 8.1 millimeter with the same apparatus? Very simple and very important question. Okay. So now the wavelength initially used is 600 nanometer. So that is 600 into 10 power minus 9 meter. Then the initial distance between two consecutive bright fringes, that is beta 1. Fringe width is 7.2 mm. Okay. In the second case, beta 2 is 8.1 mm. For that, we have to find the wavelength of light. So now two equations we are going to write for the fringe width. Now fringe width in the first case, beta 1 is equal to lambda 1 into capital D divided by small d. And beta 2 is equal to lambda 2 into capital D divided by small d. So the distance of the screen from the two slits, capital D, is the same in both the cases. Then the slit separation, small d, is also same in both the cases. So now I am going to find lambda 2 by dividing these two equations. So beta 1 divided by beta 2. So this is equal to lambda 1 capital D divided by small d into small d divided by lambda 2 into capital D. Okay. So this capital D and the small d get cancelled. So this will be equal to what? Lambda 1 divided by lambda 2. We need lambda 2, is it not? So lambda 2 by lambda 1. Lambda 2 divided by lambda 1 is equal to beta 2 divided by 7a2 is equal to 5a1. Now directly also you can what is this problem? A1 is here, beta 1 is directly proportional to lambda 1 and beta 2 is directly proportional to lambda 2. A1. Therefore beta 2 by beta 1 is equal to lambda 2 divided by lambda 1 is equal. Same equation only will come. Quickness. This is for competitive exam very fast. But in the Tamil Nadu State Board examination, for each step mark will be given. Keep it in mind. For competitive exam, for quick solution, you can go by this method. Okay. But in the board examination, first these two formulae should be written. Then you have to divide and get this equation. Understand? Keep it in mind. So now we need lambda 2. So I can write. So this implies lambda 2 is equal to beta 2 divided by beta 1 into lambda 1. So this is equal to beta 2 is 8.1 mm, this is 7.2. So this is 81 into, so I can write 81 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 72 into 10 power minus 4 into 600 nanometer is 6 into 10 power minus 7. So this is 6 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So 10 power minus 4 get cancelled. This is 9 9s are 81, this is 9 8s are 72. So I can write lambda 2 is equal to 9 into 9 divided by 9 into 8 into 6. So into 6 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So this 9 get cancelled and this is 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So this is 9 into 3 divided by 4. So this is equal or into 10 power minus 7. And this is equal to 27 divided by 4 into 10 power minus 7. Okay. Now if you divide 27 by 4 means 6 4s are 24. Remainder is 3. So point, you make this 30. 30 by 4. 7 4s are 28. And the remainder 2, 20. So 5 4s are 20. So 6.75 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meter. Okay, or you can write this as 675 into 10 power minus 9. So 675 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Therefore, lambda 2 must be equal to 675 nanometer. Okay, this is the answer. So I am reminding you, my dear students, for the Tamil Nadu State Board examination, you go by this formula method. Write expression for beta 1 and beta 2 separately. Then you divide beta 1 by beta 2 and get an expression for lambda 2 in terms of lambda 1 and solve the problem. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.